Hi, welcome to Story Time with Gigi. Today we're reading a cute little story called Little Bird Be Quiet by Kirsten Hall and illustrated by Sabina Gibson. I like it already. Little Bird loves to talk. He talked about the sun and the leaves and the flies and the wind and the fish and the rain and anything that popped into his head. He tried to talk to his mother about teeth. "Mommy, why don't birds have teeth? Beavers have teeth. I wish I had teeth like a beaver." "I don't know, little bird. I'm busy. I don't have time for questions." He tried to talk to his father about rain. "Mommy says it might rain today, which means worms. Want to go out and worm hunt?" "Sorry, little bird, not today. I'm tired." He tried to tell his sister a joke. "Hey, I learned a new joke. What bird carries the most weight?" "A crane!" "Not now. I'm late to meet my friends." And he wanted to share what he learned about with his brother. "Guess what? Woodpeckers can peck 20 times a second. Isn't that cool? Let's tell everyone." "Another time, little bird. I'm trying to focus." Oh. Frog thought Little Bird was boring. Deer said that Little Bird was too loud. And Rabbit wished he would hurry up and get to the point. They all said, "Be quiet, little bird." Aww. Little Bird flew until his tiny wings could carry him no farther. He settled beside a brook. Another little bird looked up at him. Little Bird wondered if this bird would tell him to be quiet too. "Hi." But the bird in the water smiled, laughed, and flapped his wings at everything Little Bird said. Words began to pour out from him. "Wow, you have really small wings, just like mine. Did you fall a lot when you were learning to fly too?" "My brother and sister flew perfectly their first times out of the nest." "Amazing, right? They're older than I am, you know." "Lately, they don't want me around as much, but sometimes they let me hang out with them, which is so much fun. Last weekend, we went hunting. Oh, let me show you something. My father taught me this really cool trick." Back home at the breakfast table, no one knew what to say. It was so quiet. Out in the forest, no one told any jokes or stories. Something was missing. They all look sad, don't they? Is that a tear? We miss Little Bird. Let's go find him. Little Bird heard them coming and flew to a high branch in a tall tree. He wasn't sure he wanted to be found. As Little Bird listened to his friends and family talking, he found it almost impossible not to call out to them. I love that story about the time he dropped the worm. I'd give anything for the chance just once to tell Little Bird how clever he is. Did you know Little Bird once told me it takes 46 wing flaps to get to the top of the big oak? Really? Wow! There's Little Bird hiding. Suddenly, Little Bird could no longer keep quiet. 47! It takes 47 flaps, not 46. His mother wrapped her warm wings around him. Won't you please come home, Little Bird? It's not the same without you. Little Bird was so happy. He had so many words he wanted to say, but for once, Little Bird just said, yes. And that's our story. That was really cute. I hope you liked it. Make sure that you like and subscribe and share with your friends. And believe it or not, I found this book in the Dollar Tree. BlueAppleBooks.com. I'm going to go and check it out and see if I can find more just like this one. Thanks for spending some time today. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye until next time.